My name is Dani and I'm going to tell you something about animals. This is my animal. He came into my life, he's almost 3 years old now. Why animals are important is because they are not mind controlled like we are, in the ego, thinking all the time. If you're not enlightened, you think all the time. It's a normal condition, human condition. You are in ego. Animals and artworks and other beautiful things and cute things have the ability to keep us out of our heads. So I always say it, dogs and cats are like little angels, furry angels walking around to help humans, to help us. I love to pet cats also on the street, dogs, because they really ground us and keep us out of the head, out of the insane ego, out of the false self. So I have seen people curing their overthinking by having a dog, for example, having an animal to take care of. So don't underestimate the power of animals. You learn a lot also. You can learn more from observing animals than 4 years of college. Because animals show you what everything is truly about, you know? Animals can also teach you about energy because they are reflecting the owner, especially dogs. They can reflect the owner. The behavior of dogs is a perfect reflection of the owner's behavior or the owner's energy. So when you see this cat, this is a black cat. Mostly black cats are known to be a little aggressive and wild. But this one, I named him Zen. And you know why. So don't underestimate nature, because this little guy is part of nature, and nature heals us, heals our mental positions. Nature heals our mental issues by keeping us in the present moment, because everything happens in the present moment. There is no past, there is no future. Everything happens now. And when we are grounded in the now, we can choose what we give meaning to. We can choose our belief system. And that is how we truly, truly create our reality, like a mystic. Is goed, ja.